Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the text on your PlayStation 5 bold. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To get bold text on PS5, from the dashboard, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Display and Sound. Here in Display and Sound settings, enable the option called Bold Text. You will see all the text on your PlayStation 5 is now in bold. You can come back here and turn it off again at any time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.